Smell-Bell-Verbal skull base wala. Smell-Bell-Verbal skull base wala. Lateral surface of the body of sphenoid. Lateral surface of the boss. Number 1, we have the carotid sulcus. Number 2, we have the lingula. CL, carotid sulcus and lingula. Let us see. This is the lesser wing of sphenoid painted in green. This is the greater wing and this is the superior orbital fissure which we are able to see it here. We are able to see this passed probe through the superior orbital fissure. So the one which is above is the lesser wing and here is the greater wing. We could find the optic foramen just above that. So we could see the optic foramen over here, which is just above the superior orbital fissure. Once we see that through this part, which is going towards the optic chiasma, is towards the optic now, So let us see the carotid sulcus, which is lateral to the body now. Now the probe is pointing towards the carotid sulcus, which is over here. It is a broad groove above the attachment of the greater wing. This is the greater wing attachment and this is the groove above the attachment of the greater wing. And anteriorly it was leading to superior orbital fissure. We have seen it here. And posteriorly it is going towards the foramen lacerum. This is the foramen lacerum over here. This was the pituitary fossa wherein we have painted with Indian flag colors. Hypophyseal fossa, sella turcica over here, and this is the anterior intercavernous sinus. This green color is the posterior intercavernous sinus. Saffron is the anterior intercavernous sinus. This white one is the sella turcica and black one, this blue one colored as Ashoka chakra is the hypophyseal fossa. This side is the cavernous sinus. This side is the cavernous sinus lying in this carotid sulcus. So anterior intercavernous here and posterior intercavernous here. In this cavernous sinus we have the internal carotid artery with sympathetic plexus around it. 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 2 and 6 cranial nerves. 3, 4, 5, 1, 5, 2 and 6 cranial nerves. We'll see the cavernous sinus later as a model. Initially this is the C, which is the carotid sulcus for cavernous sinus, and next one is the lingula. The lingula is a plate of bone which forms the lateral limit of carotid sulcus posteriorly. This is the carotid sulcus and this is the posterior part. It hides the posterior opening of pterygoid canal. Keep watching.